In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from bank account to PayPal. So first thing you need to do is go log into your PayPal account. And after that, go click add the bank or credit card. Add your bank account if you don't have any linked bank accounts on your PayPal. After that, you have to fill in the information. Then after filling in the information, you have now linked your bank account to your PayPal. Now to transfer money from bank account to PayPal, you have to just click on transfer. After clicking transfer, you pick the linked bank account, then pick the amount. Then after that, just withdraw all your money from bank account to PayPal. So for the mobile phone, it's also the same process. So first thing you need to do is to link your bank account. After linking your bank account, you now have a bank account to be able to transfer your money to PayPal. After having the bank account, you just have to click on transfer. Then after clicking on transfer, you now have to click the bank account that you have linked, then the amount of money that you wanted to withdraw, and then that's it. You have totally transferred your money from bank account to PayPal.